Hi guys, today I'm going to unbox the protein powder from own brand. Only what's needed by Food Farmer, the Indian YouTuber. Okay, I bought it from his website directly of rupees through 3299. Okay, it got delivered to me after placing the order 4 days before. I'm going to unbox now. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, so we have this packaging, this box, only what's needed, built together with you. Okay, a good packaging from the brand, their logo. Now let's open this box. What we have. Okay, this is the shipping and billing information. Is your protein powder actually safe? Okay, some leaflets. Then what is this? Oh, I guess for the blind people they can read this information. Anyone deserves to know what's there in their food. That's why we made this in braille too. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, and what's this? Fiber board by Food Farmer. Aim for at least 20 grams for fiber per day. How helps you stay fuller? Rulle, millet, guava, and so what is this? This is really interesting looking. I guess is this a card or it's a diary? Acha, it's a rubber, and over rubber they have printed something good information. Kind of no, it's a sticker, not a sticker, not open. It's a rubbery thing, like it can stick to the surface, to the table. Then what's this? We have used only what's needed in our ingredients. Okay, it is fortified by vitamin D3, B12 as well. Very good product. Works. Then whey protein concentrate, and then protein. Why to create the world's most transparent food platform? Problem solutions. There, only plates. How to give your parents protein without starting an argument. Okay, these are the option: banana ice cream, cold coffee, mango shake, overnight oat, badam. This is a unflavored version I have purchased, fortified by vitamin D3 and B12. Now finally our product. Okay, a very good packaging. So at the front place they have mentioned their ingredient list only: whey protein, instant licithin, soy chunks, vitamin premix, protein, vitamin B12, cholesterol, vitamin D3. Okay, so packaging is something okay like this. Indians wanted to build this product. Okay, this is the package. Front we have the ingredients list, and the back. Okay, very good one. 7 critical lab stages do. Okay, for every batch. Okay, and if any one of the batches fail, they product or fail, then they discard the whole batch. So we have 26 gram protein per 34 gram scoop. Okay, so ingredients they have mentioned per 100 gram 76 grams there. Okay, and total carbohydrate 12.8, saturated fat 2.6, sodium 2.3, vitamin B12 mcg 3 per 100 gram, vitamin D3 mcg 2200 gram. This is a very good product. This is unflavored protein fortified by vitamin B12 and vitamin D3. Okay, so package wise this product is looking good. Now I'll start consuming it from tomorrow. Let's see what's the taste and how it tastes and how it goes. Okay.